Today I'm going to tell about something that no influencer will tell you on any platform like YouTube, Instagram, or even Google. It's not about hit and trial. Rather, it's about tried and tested. As a dermatologist, I'm going to give you a step-by-step plan to know the cause of hair thinning and also to prevent hair loss in future. One strand, two strand, few strand, several strand, and then you are just counting numbers. The most common medical condition that people know and they ignore is hair fall. Is this the beginning of baldness? Or it's just a phase that you're going through? It's not just about hair. It's about your confidence. It's about your integrity. And sometimes it's about pain. You get panic. Most of the people get panic. And they think that there's something wrong with the shampoos. They change the shampoo. They switch over to some good cosmetic products. They change the hair care range. And they buy new range. But still no results. Then you try some DIY recipes. You follow some influencer on internet or Instagram or YouTube and follow it.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Lexi Hair Channel. My name's Eastiana, and in today's video we're talking about how to incorporate rice water into your daily hair routine.
Most of the influencers on internet give their therapies, give their recipes to control hair fall, and you follow it. You try rice water therapy. You try onion oil recipe. You try methi dana, kari patta and henna hair mask. You apply it for several days, still no results. Maybe 5% of the people get results with that. There might be some other cause that you are not thinking. Maybe you are deficient in iron. Maybe there is a deficiency of vitamin B12. Maybe there is a deficiency of vitamin D, calcium. Maybe you are having some thyroid disorder. Maybe you are pre-diabetic. then why not get your investigations done? Get your blood checkup done and rule out all these causes. And if you find any of these causes, treat it. If you are deficient in something, try to treat it with nutrition. If it's not possible with nutrition, then you can take supplements. If you have thyroid disorder, take medicines for thyroid. If you're pre-diabetic, take medicine for diabetes. And the thing is, sometimes it happens you make all the things correct, but still hair fall. Then what to do? Then maybe you're having some other causes. It is a possibility that maybe you are too much stressed, physical stress, mental stress, and this stress raises cortisol, the negative hormone, and because of that, hair fall can be there. Maybe you work outside a lot in pollution. Pollution can also be a cause. Maybe you have polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS or PCOD. Maybe there is a DHT sensitivity, dihydrotestosterone sensitivity. Or maybe you are using too much of hair styling products. You are tying the hair very tight. There can be any possibility. You need to think over it. What could be the cause? And try to manage it with your lifestyle. You have to change your lifestyle. Yoga, meditation are really helpful. Proper healthy nutrition. Stop taking junk food. Maybe you are having a lot of junk food or something. You need to avoid taking fast foods. So you have to open your eyes and think in all aspects. The problem can come from anywhere. Maybe you are having some sleep disorder. Maybe you don't sleep properly because of the child, because of the work, because of studies or anything. You need to improve your sleep cycle as well. Meditation and exercise do work for that. And you know it happens. Sometimes you do all the things which are necessary to take care of the hair and still you have hair fall or hair thinning. Then what to do? You have changed your lifestyle. You are sleeping well, you are eating well, you are doing regular workouts. You are not nutritionally deficient because you have checked your blood profile. There is no diabetes, no kidney, liver disorder. Everything is going perfect. Then what? Why there is hair fall, hair thinning? Can it be genetic? Look out in your family that is there any history of hair fall or hair thinning? A series in the family is there, like grandparents, parents, and then you. So you need to check out the genetics as well. You cannot beat the genetics. When you have tried everything, then you should search for medical treatments. Now you search for medical treatments. Now there is a list of medical treatments. Now again you are confused. What treatment to take? Then open your eyes and think wisely what you really require. Study about it. Meet a certified dermatologist. Take guidance. Do your own research. You can take minoxidil, which increase blood circulation in the scalp so that the hair root can get enough oxygen, enough nutrition. It's a good option. As a first step, it's a good option. You can try PRP and GFC, platelet-rich plasma and growth factor therapies. In this, the blood is taken. And blood is then put in a machine that's called centrifuge machine. which separates your vitamins, minerals, nutrients, growth factors from the red cells. And these vitamins and minerals are then injected into the scalp. Usually people respond to it. All the vitamins and minerals derived from your blood and put it directly into the hair root. It usually works, but in some cases it won't work. Your body doesn't accept it. Then if you have a severe hair problem, then go for mesotherapies, stem cell therapies. In these therapies, plant-derived growth factors, stem cells are injected into the scalp. They are for severe hair fall conditions. Another one is low laser light therapy. You can go for that also, but it's a bit expensive and multiple sessions are required. Twice or thrice in a week you need to visit to a doctor. So that is not feasible for most of the people. But it works good because it increases microcirculation. When the circulation around the root increases, then definitely you get good hairs. And then comes the pills, the tablets, the courses of the medicine in which all nutrients are there in the balanced way. A doctor can prescribe that. You can take these for 4 to 5 months. This is a step-by-step procedure. Follow it step by step, and on whatever step you feel that you are comfortable, you can leave the treatment there and continue with your life. And for any questions and queries, you are always welcome to the comment section. And please do share this video with those people who are suffering from hair thinning and hair fall. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.